If you're looking for something to help maybe reduce the light inside from outside to inside the bedroom, or maybe keep like heat or cool inside the bedroom, honestly it kind of helps with the noise too. This thing is so nice. It just slides underneath. You can take these out. You can take those out. Obviously the Velcro is good because I couldn't even get it off with one hand. These are the styrofoam. You can cut these too if they're a little bit longer than your door. I think I had to do that. So then it just slides in, and then you can just Velcro it shut. So that's on both sides. And then you just stick it under there. It's easier with one hand, and then it slides in. Like I said, I got it to initially help with the light coming from outside of the hallway into the bedroom, but it's really helped with the noise too, and helps keep the heat in during the night and when we're in the winter. So really love this product.